Good morning, Bachman Middle School. Today is Tuesday, February 28th. It is a B day. It is a band day 2. And I am Mr. Strand with today's Tiger Talk. First up, it's time for Literacy Lowdown. And here once again is Mrs. Castle.
Reasons to read. What's the cost? Digital streaming and cable versus reading. With Franklin. Do you know how much Netflix costs a month? How much do you have to pay for Netflix?
21.
Ooh, close. Be up to $17.99. What do you think of that? Is that kind of a lot?
Yeah.
How much do you think it costs to get a library card?
20,000.
$20,000? Zero. It's free for a library card. How much do you think it costs for Disney Plus for 1 year?
100,000, 150. Today's the highest number. 2,000.
Okay, well, it's actually $70 a year for Disney Plus. How much do you think it costs to check out a book at the library?
0.
You're right! Hey! How often do you think cable companies can raise the prices on their customers?
Never.
Did you know that they can raise them whenever they want? How often do you think libraries raise the prices on their books? Every day? What if I told you they never do? Reading. Good for you and your wallet.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Castle. Next up, it's time for our word of the week. This week's word is authentic. Authentic means real or genuine. Yesterday, we talked about the Spring Showcase. At the Spring Showcase, you'll have a chance to show examples of authentic learning you've done this year. Here is one example of authentic learning from Mrs. Stockman's science class.
This is the plate tectonic shuffle. Transform. Subduction. Diverge. Converge. Transform. Subduction.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Stockman and 6th graders. You may have noticed that today's Tiger Talk is not quite as authentic as usual. My voice is dubbed. I recorded Tiger Talk in the Document Center, the loudest place at Bachman. Here's what it really sounds like. Listen to that! I'm sure a lot of you noticed that my dubbed voice sounded different from usual, because when things aren't authentic, we do notice. Tomorrow's Tiger Talk will be more authentic, I promise. See you then.